Can I form a nonprofit LLC in Texas? Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna answer your question easily and fast. So the very short answer is the Texas Business Organizations Code BOC does not recognize the term nonprofit LLC as describing a specific type of entity. Two, but the BOC does allow for the formation of an LLC with a non-profit purpose, although a for-profit corporation is prohibited from operating a non-profit institution. So, the BOC does not impose this prohibition on LLCs. This is one of the few substantive changes introduced by the BOC. So, the BOC is the Business Organization Code. So, that's the answer, guys. Don't forget like and subscribe.